Sakafete. Hi, I'm Roma and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to make some stew beef. If you want to see how I make this recipe, keep watching. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. So this is my beef, and what it is, it's a pot roast, and I cut it up into chunks and washed it up, seasoned it with some beef seasoning and kept it in the fridge overnight. I have some onions, some garlic, fresh thyme, parsley, carrots, green onions and celery. What I'm going to do now is chop these vegetables. So I'm just going to get everything done before I start cooking. Cut them ahead of time. So first thing you want to do is make sure that pot is really hot so you kind of get the meat nice, it's seared really well. And the meat is starting to sprout now. I turn it up really high. Yeah, I'm just going to leave it like that. And let it cook like that. And what I'm going to do now is just cover it for a few minutes. Okay guys, I'm just going to cover it so it can keep sprouting, and I'm going to keep it on a medium heat, and I'm just going to leave it for about 10 minutes and then I'll open it up and finish off. What I'm going to do now is just season it up. I'm going to add some kitchen bouquet, and it's just nice browning and seasoning sauce for meat. So I'll put about a cupful. It's going to give it that nice rich color too. So I would say about a teaspoon. I'm going to put some onions. Actually put in some thyme, onions. And I have some beef seasoning. So I'm just going to put about a teaspoon of that in there. Maybe a teaspoon and a half, okay, because that's what's going to give it that nice rich flavor. And a little bit of black pepper, about half a teaspoon. And now I'm just going to stir it up. Let it cook down. Add my garlic. I'm just going to let it cook for about an hour, and I'll check on it about half an hour after and see what it looks like, and then I will finish it off by putting the vegetables in there and then cook it for about another half hour. So I will say about an hour and 40 minutes altogether. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like half an hour later. Okay, so it's cooked down quite a bit. Now I'm just going to add my veggies. So I'm going to put the celery, the carrots. I'm going to put the onions and parsley. Everything's going in now. Okay. So now I'm going to add some water. Now if I had beef stock, I would use the beef stock, but because I already have all that beef seasoning, it's going to be too salty. So I'll just put that, and I can remove this thyme. So I'm just going to leave that now, and that's just going to cook nice and slow. What I'm going to do is taste it to see if I need to put more seasoning. I can put some more stock. So I'm just going to put this little pack. Turn it up. So I'm just going to cover that now, bring it to a boil, and just let it cook until it's done. So once it starts boiling, I'm going to turn it down to a simmer and just leave it. until it's ready. Okay guys, so I'll see you guys later when it's all done. I think the beef is done now. Look at that. Oh yeah, it's beautiful. Look at that. It's all done. It's nice and tender and just enough gravy. See, just enough. Okay, so that's it guys, and this is such a really nice dish. You can have it with rice, you can have it with potatoes, mashed potato, and even just maybe with some naan bread or any kind of flatbread. It's absolutely delicious. And here it is guys, our delicious stewed beef. Thank you for watching, and until next time, have a great day and God bless.